Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to crimp a cat5 connector. What you're going to need is a small piece of cat5, a side pliers, a crimper, and you're going to need two RJ connectors. So first we're going to put our cable in there. Now the color code that we use in the Bahamas is standard B. It goes orange and white orange, green and white blue, blue and white green, brown and white brown. Each color has to match on both ends in order for communication to pass through the cable. So we have orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. I'm just gonna take a little bit off. Make sure it fits in there properly, nice and snug. That's one end. And we repeat the same process for the second end. And there you have it, guys. You have a perfectly crimped cat5 connector.